Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font in Zoho Notebook. If you want your notes to look cleaner, more stylish, or easier to read, changing the font in Zoho Notebook is one of the quickest upgrades you can make. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the font, so no need to edit individual notes. So first, open Zoho Notebook on your phone. Next, click on the gear icon at the top left. Now, once you're in settings, tap on notes. So this is where you can control how your notes look and behave. Now tap on editor font. You'll now see a preview screen. At the top, there's a sample text showing how your font will look. Below that, you'll find a slider. So this lets you adjust the font size, just like so, drag it left to make the text smaller, or right to make it bigger. Now scroll down and you will see a list of available fonts. So just tap on any font to preview it instantly, just like that. So some fonts may have a star icon, so it means they might require premium access. So once you've chosen your font, so for example, I'm just going to select this one, adjust the size however you want it to, and tap apply in the top right corner. And that's it. Your new font is now set. So this will change the default font for your notes moving forward. It may not fully update text styles like headings inside existing notes. And that's how you can change the font in Zoho Notebook using settings. It's quick, simple, and makes a big difference in how your notes look and feel. So try out a few styles and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.